ओम पूर्णमदः पूर्णमिदं पूर्णात् पूर्णमुदच्यते पूर्णस्य पूर्णमादाय पूर्णमेवावशिष्यते। ओम शांति शांति शांति। शंकरं शंकराचार्यं केशवं बादरायणं सूत्रभाष्यकृतौ वन्दे भगवन्तौ पुनः पुनः। ईश्वरो गुरुरात्मेति मूर्तिभेदविभागिने व्योमवद्व्याप्तदेहाय दक्षिणामूर्तये नमः। ओम शांति शांति शांति। शुक्ल यजुर्वेदीय कान्व शाखीय बृहदारण्यक उपनिषद पेज नंबर 519। पूर्व पक्ष said that Brahmatma Ikya Jnanam has three virodhas. Pratyaksha virodha, Anumana virodha, Agama means Karmakanda virodha. These three virodhas he gave. Why? Because there are different people. You can see Kriya Karaka Bheda. You can see the Shrotradi Bheda, Indriya, Shabdadi Bheda, and the Upalabdha are also Bhinna. Upalabdha, Upalabdharau, Upalabdharah. Pita. So in Dvivachan and Bahuvachan, in both, Aptrintrich, Swastri, Nestri, Potri, Ityadi, Upadha Dirgha is there in all of them or in none of them, right? Means this Pita, Pitarau, they will not have Upadha. Whether it is Dvivachan or Bahuvachan, it is Samana. So here it is Shabdadi, Upalabdharaha, Kartaraha of Dharma, Dharma, they are all Bhinna. Siddhanti said this is Kutarka Dushita Antakaranaha. All these people, their buddhi is Dushita because they want to do is Kutarka. What is there, something else only they will go on. Anukampaniyaha. We should have some, they are Anushochaniya, worthy of grieving. Tika. It was said they are Sampradaya Agamartha Vichinna Sampradaya Buddha iti. Tika on that page only, 519. Second paragraph. Iti. Iti dushyata. Second line. Iti dushyata tesham iti shesha. Iti dushyata. This is the dosha in there. Dushyata tesham iti shesha. Dvaita grahi pramana viruddham advaitam iti vadatam katham shochata iti pruchati. Dvaita grahi pramana viruddham advaitam. So Siddhanti is going to prove how they are seeing something which is not in accordance with Advaita Siddhanta. Okay. Dvaita Grahi Praman Viruddham Advaitam. This is all they are saying. Why you are saying Katham Shochata? Why they should be worthy of grieving? Purvapakshi is asking. Understood? Katham iti. Tika. Tatra Brahmaikatve Pratyaksha Virodham Pariharati. So now three Virodhas were given. Pratyaksha, Anumana, Agama. So first he takes Brahmatma Ikatva and Pratyaksha, there is no Virodha. Then Anumana, then he will show Agama. Brahmaikatve Pratyaksha Virodha is not there. So Parihara is being done. श्रोत्रादिद्वारैः शब्दादिभिः प्रत्यक्षत उपलभ्यमानैर् ब्रह्मण एकत्वं विरुध्यते इति वदन्तो वक्तव्याः। दोष से श्रोत्रादिद्वारैः शब्दादिभिः प्रत्यक्षतः उपलभ्यमानैः ब्रह्मण एकत्वं विरुध्यते। ब्रह्म एकत्व and this there is virodha. How virodha he said? प्रत्यक्षतः विरोध. Okay. टीका तथात्वे तद एकत्व अभ्युपगम विरोधः स्यात् इति शेषः। तथात्वे, if this happens then एकत्व अभ्युपगम विरोधः स्यात्। भाष्य किं शब्दादीनां भेदेन आकाशैकत्वं विरुध्यते इति अथ न विरुध्यते। और you can put it up to here only. किं शब्दादीनां भेदेन आकाश एकत्वं विरुध्यते इति। If there are many shabdas, do you say many akasha? No. So why do you have? There is no virodha. Means akasha ekatva and shabda anekatva can coexist. Like that, pratyaksha, where there is shrotra, shabda, ityadi, they have anekatva, and brahmatma ekatva. Where is virodha? पूर्व पक्षी से प्रत्यक्ष विरोध इज प्रत्यक्ष। देवदत्त गृहे अस्ति, चैत्रो ग्रामे गच्छति। वेर इज विरोध? देयर इज नो विरोध। बोथ आर टॉकिंग अबाउट टू डिफरेंट थिंग। सी दिस इज पूर्व पक्ष सेइंग प्रत्यक्ष विरोध। ब्रह्म आत्मा इज एक। हाउ the bahutva or anekatva in shrotra etc. has virodha with this. This is the first point. Drishtanta was given, if shabda anekatva is there, akasha ekatvam is not viruddha to that. Tika. Yatha सर्वभूतस्थम एकम आकाशम इति अत्र न शब्दादि भेद ग्राही प्रत्यक्ष विरोधस तथा एकम ब्रह्म इति अत्रापि न तद विरोधो अस्ति। इन सर्वभूतस्थम और सर्वभूतस्थम एकम आकाशम, देयर इज वन आकाश इन ऑल, इति अत्र न शब्दादि भेद ग्राही प्रत्यक्ष विरोध। शब्दादि भेद ग्रहणम can be different and akasha can be one. In the same way, तथा एकम ब्रह्म इति अत्रापि न तद विरोधो अस्ति. So प्रत्यक्ष विरोध is not there. Why? तस्य कल्पित भेद विषयत्वात् इति भाव. अनेक शब्दाद are कल्पित in आकाश. अनुमान विरोधम परोक्तम अनुवदति. परैहि उक्तम परोक्तम. Paraihi means anyaihi. What Purvapakshi said, what is the Anuman Virodha? Siddhanti is first mentioning that. Then he will refute. Yacha uktam pratishariram shabdadi upalabdharo dharma dharmayoscha kartaro bhinna anumiyante tathacha brahmaikatve anumana virodha iti. This is what Yacha uktam. Uktam tvaya. Purvapakshina. What did they say? Prati shariram, in each sharira, shabdadi upalabdharas are different. Somebody hears some shabda here, somebody hears some other shabda, somebody elsewhere, and then everybody's dharma are different. Somebody has more punya, somebody has more papa, their phalam is different, etc. So their karta is also different. Bhinnaha anumiyante. So brahmatma ekatva and there is virodha. There is a pratyaksha anumana virodha. What is the anumanam? See, tika. Ya cheshta sa prayatna purvika. Right? Prayatnavat purvika. Ya cheshta sa prayatnavat purvika. इति एतावता न आत्मभेदः. Any chesta is there, sa prayatnavat purvika, so that chesta will require some prayatnavan, person who is putting forth effort, purvika iti etavata na atmabhedah. Why? Swa prayatna purvakatvasya api sambhavat. See, chesta is happening in Devadatta. Chaitra thinks Devadatta Atma is different. Why? Because Devadatta is putting forth effort. Chaitra is not putting forth effort. So this is the yukti Purvapakshi will give. Siddhanti says it is swaprayatna purvaka. Devadatta kriya is swaprayatna purvaka. Swaprayatna purvakatvasyapi sambhavat. Anupalabdhi virodhe tu anumanasya anuthanat. If anupalabdhi virodha is there, anupalabdhi pramana. Anupalabdhi virodhe, nothing is given in tippani here. We'll take it. Anupalabdhi virodhe tu anumanasya eva anuthanat. Swadeha cheshtayaha swaprayatna purvakatva vat. Paradeha cheshtayaha tad yatna purvakatve cha. Swadeha cheshta is swaprayatna purvaka. So paradeha cheshta will be paradeha purvaka. So how many atmas are there? See the Vakya you understand, you will understand the flaw in the sentence. Swadeha cheshtayaha swaprayatna purvaka. Paradeha cheshtayaha paradeha purvakatva. How many atmas are there? You are many deha. Swadeha cheshta is swadeha prayatna purvaka. Paradeha cheshta is paradeha. You are saying many deha. And what is your nigamanam? Many atma. You know, when we have to listen to some such people or talk to some such person whose sentences are like this, they'll say something, Paksha will be something sadhya. Some nigamanam they'll. You don't know where to start now. How will you explain? That's why navidmo naviljanimaha yathaitad anushishyat. How will I explain this person? So you see, this is actually, we have seen this, if you remember, in Mandukya. You know where? Anybody remembers? We elaborated this is in Advaita Prakarana, 5th Karika. What is the Karika? Huh? It's okay. So it is given there elaborately. This is, we will see that on the next page it is given. Not the Karika, another. But you understood the flaw. Somebody will ask, there it is given in this way. We have to accept many Atma. Why? Because somebody is Baddha, everybody is not Baddha. Somebody will get liberated, everybody will not get liberation. Somebody is Karta, everybody is not Karta, therefore many Atmas. So Siddhanti says, you accept many Kartas. Why do you say many Atmas? Kartritva can be there in Buddhi. Jnatritva can be there in Buddhi. Baddhatva, Muktatva, all this is in Buddhi. That Tadatmya Adhyasa is there with Atma. Therefore, you think all of this is in Atma. But they all are in Sukshma Sharira. We are accepting many Sukshma Shariras. Where is the problem? But their yukti is like this. Many Dehas are there, therefore many Atmas are there. We say many Deha, if you have concluded, just stay there. Why you have to say therefore many Atmas are there? Where is the problem? But their yukti is like this. Many Dehas are there, therefore many Atmas are there. We say many Deha, if you have concluded, just stay there. Why you have to say therefore many Atmas are there? Many Atmas are there, therefore many Atmas are there. We say many Dehas are there, therefore many Atmas are there. वो आएगा आएगा सांख्य दर्शन का अलग से। अनुपलब्धि विरोधे, व्हाट इज दिस अनुपलब्धि विरोधे? अनुपलब्धि प्रमाण इज फॉर व्हाट? अभाव। अनुपलब्धि प्रमाण इज दैट देयर इज अभाव। भूतले घटाभाव, for that you will use anupalabdhi pramana, because you cannot say abhava on bhut abhava of ghata on bhutala is pratyaksha. You cannot say that. This I am assuming we all know. We cannot say abhava of ghata on bhutala is pratyaksha. Why? Because pratyaksha pramana has indriya sannikarsha with the vishaya. You can say indriya sannikarsha is with the adhikarana, bhutala. There is no indriya sannikarsha with ghata. Ghata is not there. How will you say ghata abhava I can see? So it is known only through anupalabdhi praman. Anupalabdhi virodhe. If anupalabdhi virodhe is there, means if there is no other atma, right? Other atma's abhava. If this virodha is there, anupalabdhi virodhe means abhava of atma. With that, if there is any contradiction, then anumanasya eva anuthana, then anumana itself will not come. But there is no anupalabdhi virodha. What Purvapakshi is saying, if somewhere you know that there is only one atma, there is no other atma's abhava is there, then anumana will not happen. But anupalabdhi virodhe tu anumanasya eva anuthana. But anupalabdhi virodha is not there. 11 number tippani is elaborated actually. But we don't have to go in that much detail. This much you understand. Anupalabdhi virodhe tu anumanasya eva anuthanat swadeha cheshtayaah swaprayatna purvakatva paradeha cheshtayaah tad yatna purvakatve cha adaveva swapara bhedah siddhyet. What Purvapakshi is saying is this: if you take it this way, my deha cheshta is because of my prayatna, anya deha cheshta is for anya prayatna. Therefore, there are many atma, because bheda siddhi is already done. Swapara bhedah siddhyet. Such na adhyakshat parasya anadhyakshatvat. It is not because of pratyaksha pramana. Na adhyakshat. Why? Parasya anadhyakshatvat. Para means atma. Atma is not available for pratyaksha pramana. Nayayika also, they don't say atmas. Para atmas pratyaksha is not happening. Swasya atmas pratyaksha they accept or not? Online, did you understand the question? नैयायिक दर्शन स्वस्य आत्मनः प्रत्यक्षत्वम, do they accept or not? Okay, new students and old students, everybody. Can you hear me or not?
Yes, Swamiji, but
Yes,
don't know the
can
answer.
hear you, Swami.
Okay, then what is the answer? Here, pratyaksha. How pratyaksha will happen? Atma's pratyaksha in Nyaya Darshan. Atma mana sanyoga. Atma mana sanyoga will do Atma pratyaksha. But para atma pratyakshatva, even they don't accept. No, in Nyaya Darshan also, para atma pratyakshatva is not there. Only I am there, this you can prove. Anya atma is there or not, even they cannot prove. They are just going with this, that more dehas are there, therefore more atmas will be there. Pratyaksha is not there. So this line is only for that. Na adhyakshat parasya anadhyakshatvat. Para is anadhyaksha. अथवा परस्य means अन्यस्य आत्मनः अध्यक्षत्वं न अपि अनुमानात्. You cannot do anuman also. Why? Anyonya ashrayat iti आशयवान. Because there is anyonya ashraya. Anyonya ashraya. First you accept that there are many atmas. Then based on that you say there is each one upalabdha is a different atma. Then you use that as anumanam to prove many atmas. This is the anyonya ashraya. First you are saying there are many atmas. Then you are saying those atmas are upalabdharaha, dharma dharma kartaraha. Then you use that as anumanam to prove many atmas. So this is the anyonya ashraya. Means anybody, any of those Tarkika darshan, because here it is given Tarkikas, earlier we saw that, right? All of them who have accepted many atmas, they all will have this flaw. They will give their logic, like how I said that one person is mukta, everybody doesn't become mukta, somebody is sukhi, another is dukhi. How can you say? So we'll say all this is in buddhi. This is in Sukshma Sharira. Because they don't have Sukshma Sharira concept like how explicitly it is given in Vedanta. Bhashya. Bhinnaha kaihi anumiyante iti prashtavyaha. By whom these many atmas are inferred. That atmas are bhinna. Who is doing this anumana? Kaihi. He says, doshantar abhiditsaya shankate. Because somebody may say, he is going to put another dosha. So Purva Pakshi will say this. Atha yadi bruyuhu sarvaihi asmabhihi anumana kushalaihi iti. Kaihi anumiyante asmabhihi. By us. Who are you? We are anumana kushalaha. We do so many anumana. You ask anything, we will give anumanam for everything. Atma, anatma, jnanam, ajnanam, ghata, pata, everything we will have anumana. We are anumana kushala. Sarvaihi asmabhihi anumana kushalaihi iti. Asmadartham prachyati. Who are these asmabhihi? He said, Ke yuyam anumana kushala. Who are you all? Iti evam prishtanam kim uttaram. So now he'll say, we are. He'll ask, we mean Sharira, Indriya, what are you talking? You cannot say we Atmas. Because how will, again same problem, Atma Pratyaksha is only for Swasya Atma. How will you say we all are Atmas? He'll say that. Tika, sahi sthula deho va karana jatam va dehadvayad anyava. Is it sthula sharira you are talking as Atma, or karana samuha as Atma, or dehadvayad anya, other than sthula sharira, sukshma sharira, some other Atma. Na adyav. Adyav means
Not Sthula Sharira.
Adyo means two he is repeating. Na adyo dvau.
Before Dvaita comes, it becomes Dvaita.
What did somebody say online?
Before the Srishti comes.
No, not Srishti. Where there is no Srishti. Adya here means neither Sthula Deha nor Karana Jata. Three vikalpas are given. Na Adyav means Adyav Dvau. Means these things you should pick up quickly. Why? Tayoho Achetanatvat Anumatratva Ayogat. These two, Deha is also Achetana. Indriyani Achetana. Therefore, they cannot be Anumata. They cannot do Anumana. So they are out. Na Tritiyaha. Tritiya is Deha Dvayad Anyaha. Deha Dvayad Anya, the third one. You say that is Atma. That Atma is Vikari or Avikari? Avikari. If you take that Atma as Vikari, then what will happen? It will become Vinashi. If first Vikari you accept, then all six Vikaras you will have to accept. Jayate, Asti,
Asti Jayate Vardhate.
Apakshiyate vinashyati.
So you will have to accept all. So Tritiyaha, na Tritiyaha, Tasya Avikaritvat iti bhava. So who will do Anumanam? Deha cannot do Anumanam. Indriya Samuha cannot do Anumanam. Shuddha Chaitanya cannot do Anumanam. What is your Atma? King Shabdasya Prashnarthatam Matva. See, all this we should understand. This discussion is not with some Sankhyavadi or some Charvak. This is to eliminate our thought about that I am Deha Indriya something. Or that there are many Atmas, this Bhranti that we always carry, that this person is, each person means each Atma, each Sharira means each Atma. Many Shariras, you say, yes, many Shariras, we don't have any problem. Why you have to say many Atmas? We have to correct our understanding. The whole sadhana is only for this. You tell me, by studying this, which Tarkika is going to become Vedantin? It has never happened, it will never happen. If that person thinks, yes, this is right Yukti, he will change. You go on telling someone, or that person is in his room, you go on shouting here, this person, what is going to happen to that person? He will remain whatever he is. All these discussions are not to change anybody. Entire Veda, that's why this is called Adhyatma Vidya Vidyana. I have to see what transformation I have to bring in myself. If I think I am Deha, if I think Anya person is also Deha, I have to transition from that. This is all for that. He says, we are not going to make everybody Advaiti. There are other people, Tarkikas, then they will remain. Nobody is going to change their darshan. We don't have to worry also. Our prarabdha has been good that Bhagavan gave this darshan to us. Guru is there, Shastra is there. All we have to do is understand logically and change our own thinking that Mamatma Sarva Bhutatma Bhas. Don't worry about other things. Anyway, we don't have much time. Angam Galitam, Palitam, everything is happening. There, where are you going to worry about who is what? Kin Shabdasya Prashnarthatam Matva Purvavadi Aha. So now Purva Siddhanti asked, Kim, what is that Atma? So Purvavadi says, Sharira Indriya Mana Atma Sucha Pratyekam Anumana Kaushala Pratyakhyane Sharirendriya मनः साधना आत्मनो वयम अनुमान कुशलाः अनेक कारक साध्यत्वात् क्रियाणाम इति चेत् दिस इज पूर्व पक्षी वाक्य. इसे शरीर इंद्रिय आत्म मनसु च प्रत्येकम अनुमान कौशल प्रत्याख्याने. इफ वी गिव दिस आंसर, शरीर इंद्रिय एवरीबडी इज डूइंग. शरीर इंद्रिय मनः साधनाः आत्मनो वयम अनुमान कुशलाः. So this is paksha. Sharira, Indriya, Manaha, Sadhanaha. In that book, Atmana is there or Atmana is there? You see in that book? No.
Atmano. Atmano.
Second line from top on 521.
Atmano.
Are you all don't answer. You have Atmana. Just for that, make the change Atmana. Bahuvachan it has to be. No, you see, I'll explain. शरीर इंद्रिय मनः साधनाः. दिस इज बहुवचन. आत्मानः प्रथमा बहुवचन. आत्मानः प्रथमा बहुवचन. आत्मा आत्मानौ आत्मानः. वयम. दिस इज पक्ष. अनुमान कुशलाः. दिस इज साध्य. In this much alertness you have to have when you start. Atmanah, Atmanah. It can make all the difference. Vayam Anumana Kushalaha. So this much is Pratignya Vakya. Aneka Karaka Sadhyatvat. This is Hetu. Kriyanam Aneka Karaka Sadhyatvat. In this way there will be Hetu. Iti chet. Kriya requires aneka karaka, right? Any kriya will have many karakas. Purva Pakshi says, we are Atma as in Sharira, Indriya, Mana, Sadhanaha. All these are sadhana for that Atma. Sharira is sadhana, Indriya is sadhana, Mana is sadhana. Sharirendriya, Mana, Sadhanaha, Vayam. Sharirendriya, Manansi, साधनानि येषां ते शरीरेन्द्रिय मन साधनाः. So we are Anumana Kushala. Who? The ones who have Sharira, Indriya, Mana as their sadhana. Purva Pakshi's Anumanam is this. Why? Because any siddhi, any kriya, this is Manasik kriya. It will require Aneka Karaka. So Sharira is one Karaka, Indriya is Karaka, Mana is Karaka. All are there. Kriyanam Aneka Karaka Sadhyatvat. This is Purva Pakshi's Anumanam. Is this much clear?
Yes, Swami.
Sharire Indriya Mana Sadhanaha Atmanaha Vayam. Sadhya is Anumana Kushala. Or you say keep Vayam Anumana Kushala. So Paksha is Sharire Indriya Mana Sadhana. Atmanaha. He is saying who, see the question is, you see in the previous page. Ke yuyam anumana kushalaha. So yuyam anumana kushalaha. Ke yuyam anumana, he says vayam. Vayam anumana kushalaha. But he is saying what is that vayam? Sharira Indriya Mana Sadhana Sadhanaha Atmanaha. All otherwise what you can do? Sharira Indriya Mana Sadhanaha Atman Sharira Indriya Vayam Anumana Kushalaha. this is paksha. If you take, then sharira indriya mana sadhanaha atmanah, this will become sadhya in this way. So he is defining who are we. Who are we? The ones who have sharira indriya mana as their sadhana. Those we atmas. You can put it that way. Vyapti will be yatra yatra अनेक कारक साध्यत्वम तत्र तत्र शरीरेन्द्रिय इत्यादि, they all will be the sadhya there. शरीरेन्द्रिय मन साधना. टीका you see, atma, they have given this way. Atma dehadi bahu sadhana vishishto anumata kriyanam aneka karaka sadhyatvat. He just takes atma as paksha. Dehadi bahu sadhana vishishto anumata kriyanam. Up to that is sadhya. Why? Aneka karaka sadhyatvat. Because we use aneka karya to do any anumanam. एवं विशिष्ट आत्मकर्तृ का अनुमानात. So this is the विशिष्ट अनुमानम for आत्मा as the कर्ता. आत्मकर्तृ का अनुमानात प्रतिदेहम आत्मभेद धीहि इत्यर्थः. पूर्ववादी नाम प्रतिदेह आत्मभेद. Every deha has one atma. Why? Because each anumata requires a set of kriya karaka adi. Karaka sadhyatvam is there in all kriya. Vishishtasya atmano anumana kartritve. So that atma is vishishta. Vishishta with what? Sharira indriya mana. Vishishtasya atmano anumana kartritve. क्रियाणाम अनेक कारक साध्यत्वात्. क्रिया रिक्वायर्स अनेक कारक इति हेतु चेत तदा तव देहादेश्च एकैकस्य अपि अनेकत्वं स्यात् इति उत्तरमाह. सिद्धांति सेइंग when you say क्रियाणाम अनेक कारक साध्यत्वात्, Kriya is happening in Sharira or not? It is happening in Indriya? Yes. In Manaha? Yes. So, Sharira Kriya requires Aneka Karaka. Means that Sharira will require Aneka Sharira. Karaka you are saying Sharira Mana Buddhi, Sharira Indriya Manaha. So, therefore, in Sharira Kriya you will need Sharira Indriya Mana. In Indriya Kriya, you will need Sharira Indriya Mana. In Mana Kriya, you will need Sharira Indriya Mana. That is this line in the Tika. Vishishtasya Atmano Anumana Kartritve Kriyanam Aneka Karaka Sadhyatvat. Each Kriya, you have done Anumanam, each Kriya requires Aneka Karaka. Then, if that is a Hetu, Tada Tava Deha Dehecha Ekaikasya Api. Each dehadi, deha, indriya, mana, each will have anekatvam syat. Siddhanti you see in Bhashya. Evam tarhi anumana kaushale bhavatam anekatva prasanga. Then, if this is the case, then I will accept your anumana kaushala. Let you have anekatva. This kind of anekatva. But this is not what they want. So they will back out of this thinking. Tadeva vivrunoti. Aneka karaka sadhya hi kriya. Iti bhavadbihi eva abhyupagatam. You only said every kriya is aneka karaka sadhya. So for every kriya, in everything, you will need aneka karaka, aneka karaka. Bhavatbhirev abhipagatam, svikritam. Tika is long. Okay, let us read little more. आत्मनो देहादीनां च अनुमान कारकाणां प्रत्येकम अवांतर क्रिया अस्ति. और आत्मा देहादि in this anumanam, atmanah dehadinam cha anumana karakanam. Dehadi he used as karakas in anumanam. Each will have avantar kriya. Pratyekam avantar kriya asti. Vanni adishu tatha darshanat. Like in Vanni etc. it is seen. We'll see in detail in the following session. Om Purnamadaha Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadaya Purnamevavashishyate. Om Shantihi Shantihi Shantihi. Shankaram Shankaracharyam Keshavam Badarayanam Sutra Bhashyakritau Vande Bhagavantau Punah Punah Ishvaro Gururatmeti Murti Veda Vibhagine Vyomavat Vyapta Dehaya Dakshinamurtaye Namaha. Om Shantihi Shantihi Shantihi.